Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to bundle travel deals on Expedia. Now, bundling travel deals on Expedia, such as flights, hotels, and car, can save significant costs, often allowing users to save up to 10% or more combining services. The members can book components together or add items later to an existing trip to secure discount rate with options for all-inclusive package and flexible refundable booking as well. So on Expedia's homepage, you just want to make sure to go ahead and open the app. You could just go ahead and look for the package section. So here, if you go ahead and look for the package section or bundle and save, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for these sort of options. After which, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select your departure city, destination date, and a number of travel or travelers. The system will automatically display discount bundles pricing as well. And you could filter by price, hotel star rating, or specific amenities as well, like free breakfast or pool, or to tailor the package to your budget as well. And you could also add later flexible bundles. Like Expedia allows users to book a hotel first and add a flight later or vice versa as well. And that is how you should be able to book bundle travel deals with Expedia. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.